Okay, part 2. Question number of 8. List. Over 400 people visited our library last month. This staffed the sports center are not moment. And not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Continue. Number 3. Candidates should select one question online from each topic. Alright. All new students have to be registered with Mrs. Card by the end of Friday. Continue. Five. Provides that all equipment has been collected and stored. Students may leave the classroom. Six. What types of company do the majority of IT students working after finishing their degree? Moment. TI professionals working the large industries of Colombia where they grow rice, cane, which are managed systematized machines amount other. Continue. Despite some initial misgiving, the new laboratory has provided its own to be an excellent facility. Part 3. You have 1 minute to talk about a topic. First, read the text and prepare your answer. Then speak for 1 minute. Continue. Part 3. Question 1 of 1. All university students should do part-time jobs while they are still studying. Question 1. What are the advantages advanced stages. This give me the possibility of general economic gained working experience while studying. It also develops new skills. Question 2. What are the disadvantages? Disadvantages. It generates pressure of stress, the fulfill it is difficult to accept well-paid full-time jobs. Question 3. What is your opinions? Working and studying at the same time brings pros and cons. Because it generates great advantages that give significant contributions while studying, and the disadvantages can cause emotions, lacks of control due to the pressure of work. Thank you, teacher.